Good morning. It's our day 2 in Shillong.
Light gloom and it's total fog.
But
You can't see anything.
because it is entirely covered in fog, first we have to search the road from where we have to go. কোন দিকে রাস্তা রে? হ্যাঁ? ওই যে ওর সাথে যাচ্ছে। চল। কি রে ঠান্ডা কেমন লাগছে?
জমে যাচ্ছি আমি সেটা পরে নিই।
কোথায় বাকিরা কই? How is the weather? The entire area is covered in fog, so we won't be able to see anything. So we'll head towards our next stop, which is Phi Falls or Krangsuri Falls. We'll decide of the way. So before going, let me show you places. When I came here 5 years back, there were no railings and it was like an open field. It was very beautiful. As I couldn't show you the view, I'll go through my album which is there 5 years back and I will show you how the view of Light Loom was at that time. So I don't have any. So much tired. Our first stop will be Phi Falls. Before that we took a small pit stop on the way. So after that we'll move ahead. We have almost reached. I think more 10-15 minutes will be required to reach the site. Weather is okay till now and hopefully it won't rain because we got an alert today from the Meghalaya government that there is a probability of high rainfall and lightning. Right now there is sun. In hills you never know, it changes suddenly. So hopefully it will be okay. We have come to Phi Falls. On the way to Phi Falls, we have not yet reached. From here we have to take a boat first and then we have to cross and then there is a trek. This is the area. Ready?
Yay!
चलो देखे आराम से चलो 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 देख के नियति आराम से चल 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 We are on the boat right now. It looks beautiful. Boat ride was a rip-off. Only from that portion to come to this portion they took 50 rupees per person one way. Let's go! Beautiful, beautiful.
হতে পারে ড্রাইভারগুলোর সাথে এদিকে ফিটিং আছে বোটে।
It is almost 20 minutes that we are walking and we are still in the same terrain, but the terrain has somewhat changed and we have got nice greenery all around us and there is a small river that we have to cross. Not river, it's a stream. A1 for effort. देख के वो स्लिप करेगा। गया गया आराम से।
ये ठीक था।
अरे ये सब याद रखेगा बाद में।
जूता मेरा भी गया। হয়ে যাবে চ
আমার এক ফোঁটা ভেজে নি।
আমার ভিজেছে।
वाइफ भी नहीं लाए। गुड।
We have finally reached to the top of the fall. Those who have visited, we have come to know from them that there are two levels of the waterfall. One is level 1 and then there is level 2, for which we have to further go down. So we'll go and see how the view is from there.
I'll show you the video. Yeah, we can go till now.
So this was the top and then we'll go down. So this is the Fifi waterfall. It is starting from there and then it goes all the way down there. So there is one more path from there which we spoke about with our driver also. And you can see few cars standing up there. And last time when my wife came, she said like she went from that side and you have got staircase to come down. But our driver was reluctant to take us from there and he took us from this way. From this way you have to give like per person 100 rupees if you have to cross the river. Just like not even 1 minute to cross the river. And then out here again you have an entry fee. So they are taking 50 rupees per head for entry fee out here. So this is level 1 and we'll go to level 2, which is down. We have to again go up and then go down. Now we are heading towards the step 2. Even for step 1 we have to do this kind of trek. For step 2, I don't know how much trek we have to do. The second trek is quite steep. This is the path to the second trek and we're going quite down. There are bamboo steps. Be careful, bamboo steps. সবাইকে বললাম দেখা গেলো আমি পড়লাম। Come. Come, come, come. वहाँ से आ सकते थे।
না না না
এই তো রাস্তা।
ওইদিকে যাওয়ার জন্য।
वही तो वही पास দিয়ে ছিল আমরা যেখান দিয়ে উঠলাম।
ये जाओ तो
चलो लेट्स गो। थोड़ा कोথায়?
स्नान করতে সবাই আছে।
इससे थोड़ा आगे आना पड़ेगा। ट्रेन में होगा मतलब रेनी सीजन से थोड़ा आगे।
No, no, it is rained. It's rained this 5 days ना।
We will be going to the bottom of that fall. The weather is cool, but I'm sweating like hell. And this is the condition while we are going down. I don't know what will be our condition while going up. But yeah, everyone who has gone and seen this fall says it's worth it.
ট্রেনে তো যাচ্ছি সাইন্দিদা।
উঠবো কি করে? Coming up it will be difficult because it is not gradual. Sudden तुम्हारा change हो रहा है. Guys, how is the trek? Nice. Shubhamoy, now how is the Josh? Huh? Hi. The only one in our team whose Josh is high. We have finally arrived at stage 2 of Fifi waterfall. Shubhamoy, trek is worth it. How is this view, Shiny?
This is mesmerizing.
It's a lot of trek, but it was worth it. But we don't know how difficult it will be while going back. So that is Fifi Falls, right? Fifi Falls stage 2. So if you come, definitely visit stage 2 along with stage 1 because it is really worth it.